Hi, this is Kavita Saini and I am a legal intern of LEXIS and Company and I am a law student of IME Law College, and today we are going to discuss about a new topic, which is Satyam scam case study. Firstly, we discuss what is the Satyam scam about. It is about corporate governance and fraudulent auditing practice allegedly inconvenience with auditors and chartered accounts. The company misrepresented its account both to its board, stock exchanges, regulators, investors, and all stakeholders. Now we will move on to its history. And Satyam Computer Service Limited was founded in 1987 in Hyderabad by brothers Ramaraju and Ramalingaraju. The firm began with 20 employees offering IT and BPO service across various sectors. The initial success of the company soon led to its getting listed and opting for an IPO in the BCE in 1991. Post this, the company soon got its first Fortune 500 client jury and corporation. This further allowed the business to grow rapidly into becoming one of the top players in the market. Satyam soon became the fourth largest IT software exporter in the industry after TCS, Wipro and Infosys. At the peak of its success, Satyam employed more than 50,000 employees and operated in 60 plus countries, and Satyam was now seen as the prime example of the Indian success stories. Its finances were perfect. The firm was worth $1 billion in 2003, and Satyam soon went on to cross the $2 billion mark in 2008. Late in 2008, the board of Satyam decided to take over Matya's, a real estate company owned by Raju, and this did not set well with shareholders, which led to decision being reversed in 12 hours, impacting the stock price. And Mr. Raju used his personal computer to create a number of bank statements, and in order to inflate the balance sheet with cash that simply did not exist, and the company's global head for internal audit created fake customer identities and fake invoices in order to inflate the revenue. Thus in turn would allow the company easy access to loans and impressions for its success lead to an increase in the share price, and also the cash that the company had raised from the market in the US can never be made to the balance sheet. But this was not sufficient for Raju, and he went on to create records to fake employees and would withdraw salaries on their behalf. And here the question arises, where did all this money go? Although Raju had set estate business, the real estate business in early 2000s, and was booming in Hyderabad, and Raju soon diverted the money into real estate with hopes to make a good profit. Once the metro was functional, he also set up real estate called Matya's. On December 23rd, the World Bank barred Satyam from doing business with any of the bank's direct contact for a period of 8 years. This was one of the most severe penalties imposed by the World Bank against the Indian outsourcing company, and the World Bank had allegedly Satyam had failed to maintain documentation to support the fee charged to its subcontractor, and the company also provided the improper benefit to the bank staff. The confession was made. Raju was arrested and charged with criminal conspiracy, breach of trust, and forgery. The share fell to rupees 11.50 on that day compared to the height of rupees 544 in 2008. The CBI raised the house of the youngest Raju sibling, where 112 sales different lands purchased were found. The CBI also found 13,000 fake employees record created in Satyam and claimed that the scam amounted to over rupees 7,000 crore. PwC initially claimed that their failure to catch the fraud was due to the reliance placed by them on information provided by the management. PwC found guilty and its license was temporarily revoked for 2 years, and investors to become very for the companies and audit by PwC. This resulted in their share of the price of their companies start falling by 5-15%, and the news of scam led to census falling by 7.3%. And that's all about the Satyam scam, and I hope you guys like this video. So do like, share, comment, subscribe the channel. Thank you.